We live in the era of the glow-up, the 75 hard, 30-day challenges, 6 a.m. morning routines, all over your feed. But here's the truth nobody's talking about. Sometimes the pursuit of self-improvement can break you before it builds you. What if your glow-up is actually a cover-up? What if the obsession with becoming hotter, richer, better is secretly making you feel like you're never enough? In this video, we're going deep into the rise of glow-up culture, its power, its pressure, and the one truth that could save your mental health. Self-improvement isn't new, but in the last 3 years, something changed. Glow-up culture went viral, a mix of fitness, aesthetics, hustle, and hyper-productivity. It's no longer just about growth. It's about becoming unrecognizable. The 75 Hard Challenge, for example, has over 1.1 billion views on TikTok. Thousands document daily workouts, diet plans, books read, transformations, and it's inspiring, no doubt. But for every success story, there's a silent struggle. Here's the hidden cost: anxiety, burnout, body image issues. One study from Psychology Today revealed a spike in self-comparison and low self-worth among those who follow transformation trends. Glow-up culture can make you feel like if you're not becoming better every day, you're falling behind. And that pressure, it's paralyzing. Instead of loving the process, people start hating their reflection, not because they're unworthy, but because the internet told them they weren't there yet. Here's the truth. You don't need a glow-up to be worthy. The goal of self-improvement should never be perfection. It should be peace. Growth is messy. It's non-linear. And it often happens in the quiet moments no one sees. The real glow-up, it's learning to rest without guilt, to fail and try again, to become who you want to be, not who the algorithm rewards. Because true transformation isn't visible, it's internal. So yes, chase your goals, build your dream life, but never let self-improvement become self-punishment. You don't need a six-pack, a new wardrobe, or 5 a.m. wake-ups to be valuable. You just need to start showing up for yourself with kindness, because in the end, the best version of you is not the hottest, it's the happiest.